and then we're going to hit the calibration button in order to the device to calibrate with us. And hello and welcome everyone. My name is Omar from Detector Shop Company in Dubai. We are authorized agent in Dubai and Middle East to sell all detection devices that can detect gold, metals, and underground water. Today we're going to present you the full search station TITAN GER 1000 from GER DETECT factory. It can detect gold, all types of metals, diamonds, gemstones, and cavities with a depth of 45 meters and front range of 2,500 meters. The device works on 5 different systems: long range system, ionic system, 3D imaging system, magnetometer system, and pulse induction system. And now we will show you guys the accessories of the device. First we have the tablet and the tablet holder, and we have here a small coil 15 by 15 centimeters, and here we have the large coil 40 by 40 centimeters waterproof. Also we have here the headphone, which comes wireless and by wire if you want. Here we have the long range unit and the super sensor, plus the ionic system for the device, and here we have 5 antennas for the long range system. Also we have here the cables and the charging that you need for the device, plus here we have a battery that works from 10 to 18 hours. We have here also a tablet case and a warranty that comes with the device from 2 to 5 years. 2 years from the manufacturer and 5 years from our store. Here we have the training CD that comes with the device, and we have the main unit plus the armrest that comes with the device. You can separate it in piece to put it in the bag. Also we have here the bags that come. We will start the systems in sequence in order to find our target accurately. And now we'll show you guys how to use the ionic system in the device. First we're going to turn on the main unit. Then we're going to press here. Then we're going to choose our language, English, and the system, ionic system. We always should face north to south. Then we're going to press continue. And now the device is ready to search for ionic field. First thing we're going to do is extend our antenna for a better distance range, and then we're going to hit the calibration button in order to the device to calibrate with us. And now we can move our hand left to right 180 degree, just like that, and up and down to search for ionic field, and the sound will accelerate the more close. Second, we have the long range system. The long range system allows us and give us the direction and the type of our target. Now I'll show you guys on the screen how to use the long range system. We're going to turn on the device and press here. We choose our language, English, and press on long range. We always should face north to south. We press continue and choose our target type. Let's say for example we'll choose buried gold, and then we'll choose our front range. We'll choose 2500 for example, and then the device is ready to search for our target. First thing we're going to do is extend our antenna for a better distance range, and then hold the device just in a 90 angle and move with a signal. Let's say for example the device and the antennas turn left. That means we have to rotate and follow the signal. For example, the device turn right. That means we have to turn right and move with the signal. After that, let's say for example our target is here. The device will rotate backwards, which means we are above the target. Now second step we should use is to confirm our target. We will step back 2 meters from our target, and now we'll move straight and pass our target. The device will rotate backwards, which means we pass our target, and we will draw a line and mark it up, and then we'll turn the other side and move and follow the signal, and then the antennas will turn backwards, and then we'll draw a line. Same thing we want to do from both directions. And now we have the magnetometer system. Now this system allows us to find the 0 point of our target, and locate it accurately, so we will not dig in random places. So we can find all type of metals we want. Now I'll show you guys here on the screen how to use the magnetometer system. Choose our language, and then we'll choose our system. Then we'll press continue. Okay, and now I'll show you guys how to use the device. Since there is a lot of electricity power here and metals around us, the device will detect and make sound. Now, this is the right way how to hold the device. First, we will walk this way, and the more sound will accelerate, the more we are close to the target. After squaring our target, now we need to use the 3D imaging system. Now this system allows us to see our target in a 3D picture, so we can see the size, the shape, and the depth of it. Now I'll turn on the device and show you guys how to use it on the main unit. First, you're going to turn on the device. And then we'll choose our language. Then the 3D imaging system. And now we need to connect it first in the next step on the tablet. As you can see guys here, GER 3D Viewer is the app that's supported from GER Factory. Again, we'll choose our language, English, and choose our device. Now it's connected. Here we have the scan direction. You can either choose zigzag or the one direction line, which is parallel. So we choose that, and we have the number of lines. We can choose 5, for example, and the steps, which is also determine the images you're taking on the main unit. We'll press continue, and I'll show you guys in the next video how to use the device. And now guys, after we choose our scan direction and the number of steps, now we start scanning our area. We can either hold the tablet or put the tablet holder that comes with the device. Also, we should always start from left to right and leave a 30 centimeters between each steps. So now we start scanning. And we'll go back to the start point and move also a 30 centimeters. Now guys, we have this picture. For example, I'm going to explain the icons also. Here we can open the file and the picture we saved. This one's here and means we can save the picture. Here we can save it in PNG form. This icon means that we can reset the picture to default mode. Also here we can press it to see the grid lines that's in the picture. And now here we can change the values to a depth so we can see our target more clear. Also we can change the 3D form. We can change also the height from here. And these two red icons used to make the image clear and reduce the mineral salt surrounding the minerals and cavities, as well as bring the image closer to geometric formation. Now let's explain the colors. First, the red colors mean we have metals, and the yellow color means we have minerals. The green, that means we have soil. Now we have the blue and the light blue. The blue means the cavity. The light blue means we have rock around the cavities. And now we have the pulse induction system. Now this system allows us to discriminate between precious metals and non-precious metals, ferrous or non-ferrous. Also, it can discriminate between cavities and metals. It can reach a depth to 5 meters. And now I'll show you guys the setting on the device. First thing we need to do after we turn on the device is hit the calibration button here on the menu. And the device is ready to search. Here we have the sensitivity that comes with the device. We can change it. We have 9 sensitivities. Also, we have the mode here. The first mode is for precious metals or non-precious metals. It will give us a ferrous or non-ferrous. We can change it here to the second mode. Now this mode is when it shows us an up indicator, that means we have a find the metal. When it shows us the down level, that means we have a cavity. Also here we have the tone. We have 8 tones, that means we have 8 sounds or noise. And we have the lights here that we can switch it off and on. And now guys, I will explain to you how to use the device. First thing, we need to hold it just like that, and we leave the coil from 2 to 10 centimeters. And now we will walk with the device just in this way to cover the whole area.